This is Ian Lamont. I've been an independent publisher for over 10 years, and today I'm going to show you how to create a new ebook in Kobo, which also populates to Overdrive for library subscriptions. If this helps, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe, and let's get started. This is Kobo Writing Life. I've been using this for probably 10 years or maybe 11 years. It's not a big platform compared to Amazon KDP or even some of the larger American book publishing platforms such as Apple Books or Barnes & Noble, the Nook Press or whatever they call it. But it does have a little bit of international traction, which is why I continue to do it. This is the dashboard. I haven't had any sales recently, and last year there weren't many sales either. This was under $100 US, but I like to have it on Kobo as well. So I'm going to go to eBooks. This is my entire catalog. Some are listed, some are not listed. And what I'm going to do is create a new ebook. So there's basically 4 or 5 different screens. The first one is the most important. Let's start by just uploading the book cover. So this is second edition of Social Security in 30 minutes. This is disability benefits. And the cover is an RGB cover, JPEG file. It's this one right here. I'm going to open that up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste in information into these other fields here. Some people, they use a spreadsheet. I just have a text file. This is actually the first volume 1. We want volume 2. So I'm going to volume 2 over here. And you can see that I have like all of my metadata. I have ISBNs, prices, reviews, all that stuff. So I can just copy and paste it right in. So let's start with the title. Copy, paste it. Subtitle, definitely use this. This helps with visibility on these platforms. I am not the author, even though I own this this Kobo account. Emily Pogue is the author. I-30 Media Corporation. Imprint, there is an imprint in 30 Minutes Guides. This is the same imprint that I have hooked up to my Bowker account for ISBNs. Yes, this is the first time I'm publishing the book. Actually, you know what? There's something I'm missing here. I wish there was something to change it for the second edition, but I don't see it. All right, well, I'm going to put it down the EISBN, which I have. Paste that in. Primary print ISBN is the paperback. Paste that in. It's not part of the public domain. Edit categories. So this is tough. I wish there was a search engine, but there's not. So this is probably nonfiction, family and relationships, parenting, and I would say special needs. It could also be under, there's 3 categories possible. I think this is a money management thing too. So personal finance, or money management, and I'm going to confirm that. Okay, synopsis. So this is where you attempt to inform your potential readers. The synopsis is featured prominently on the Kobo partner and retail sites. I have a long one and a short one. I'm just going to use the short one this time because these days a lot of people, they just buy it on an app. They're not going to read a huge long description. I did list it as the updated and revised edition. I wish they would have a place to put it as the second edition. I don't see that. Well, okay, save and continue. So now I need to upload or select the file. So this is Volume 2, second edition, press files final. It's my ePub. Put that in there and upload it. And basically what's going to happen is Kobo is going to validate it, make sure that the computer code underlying the ePub file looks okay. Sometimes they do find errors and they'll say, oh, you should correct them, but it's not required, which is good. Oh, okay. So I didn't get any errors. That's good. Next, rights and distribution. Apply digital rights management. Do not select this. Even though it may seem like it's a good idea, it prevents piracy, etc. I've found the small benefit it may provide for stopping pirates is nothing compared to the hassles that will give your readers when they try to transfer a file or they are having login problems or something else, and DRM stops them dead in their tracks. So do not select that. Geographic distribution rights. Yes, I do own all rights in all territories. So maximize your sales. I do recommend doing the library. I don't recommend doing Kobo Plus subscription. I think this, as well as the similar KDP Select and Kindle Unlimited on Amazon, it just devalues ebooks. I'm totally against that, so I do not select that. Available for libraries in Overdrive, and basically this is a higher price than I charge for consumers getting the book because the library edition will be circulated again and again and again. So save and continue. Default price $7.99. It populates for the other countries. By the way, this book is not really relevant to any of the other countries, so I'm not anticipating international sales at all. But okay, so I said it's a pre-order, and the pre-order is about a week from now. And I'm going to publish the ebook. So that was actually pretty quick. I've done other similar exercises for the Amazon KDP and Apple Books and Barnes and Noble Press. And Kobo by far is the fastest one, which is encouraging. Unfortunately, it's still relatively small. But I like to have my books available in as many markets as possible, many types of e-readers as possible. And this is how I roll. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me. If you go to leanmedia.org, it's my official website. There's a link in the bio. Click on blog and then search for KDP or book or ebook, and I have a whole bunch of free blog posts basically sharing my expertise. I like to help other independent publishers. So hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.